Imagine you just downloaded a game from a popular website, and you get an error message like this. Or this. It happens to all of us. Especially when the error pops up at the last second. It's frustrating, and I know. And I'm here to help you solve this error. The first step to fix this error is to have an adequate amount of RAM. Most PCs especially, for the lower end, should have at least 4 GB of RAM. It does not completely remove the error but lower chances of it occurring. The second step is to install or reinstall ISDone.dll. We can find and install the ISDone.dll from the internet and paste it in the following folders as shown. Firstly, open your browser and type in ISDone.dll. Click on the first link you see. Scroll down and download the file you see fit. Wait for the download to be completed. Then go to your download folder. Right-click on the RAR file and click Extract here. Copy the extracted file and paste it in C, Windows, System 32 folder. Also paste in System 64 folder as shown. Additionally, you can download Unarc.dll same way. Go to your browser again and you will see Unarc.dll file link below ISDone.dll link. Click on it and download the file in the same way. Then again go to your download folder and extract Unarc.dll and then paste in same way as you did with ISDone.dll. Just extract the RAR file. Copy it and paste in C, Windows, System 32 folder and also paste in System 64 folder as shown. The third step is to run the command sfc scan now in CMD. Open CMD with admin right. And type in this code. The code will run a system scan and attempt to repair corrupt files if possible. Also keep connected to the internet when running this code. Please be patient. It will take some time to repair the corrupt files if they are available. The process of file repairs is now complete. If all goes well, you will see a message like this. Lastly, the most successful way to solve this error permanently is to update Windows. This error is very common when using Windows 7, 8 and 8.1. Even some earlier versions of Windows 10 encounter this error. The latest version of Windows 10 and Windows 11 do not encounter this error. Now if you are a low to mid-end PC user like me, then you know that the latest updates of Windows 10 and the bloated Windows 11 won't run properly on our low to mid-end systems. Even Windows 11 won't install on old PCs which do not have TPM. But we can solve this problem also if you follow my suggestions. We can use the following version of Windows. Using Ghost Spectre Windows 10 and Windows 11. Using Tiny 10 and Tiny 11 which are already debloated versions of Windows 10 and Windows 11. using Microsoft official Windows 10 LTSC. Where LTSC stands for a long-term servicing channel, it is official debloated version of Windows 10 which can be found on the internet, and this version of Windows 10 still receives security updates till 2026 to 2027. These are the methods that I have tested. And these methods have worked for me. And I am sure these methods will also work for you. If my solutions have fixed your problems, then please leave a like, share and subscribe my channel.